Redington Beach is known for its coastal charm, relaxed atmosphere, and beautiful seaside homes. Whether you own a cozy beach cottage or a contemporary waterfront residence, the right windows can make all the difference in how your home looks and feels. Modern window designs do more than frame your view of the Gulf. They enhance curb appeal, boost energy efficiency, and elevate property value. If you're thinking about upgrading your home, here's how modern window styles can transform your Redington Beach property and give it that fresh, coastal elegance every homeowner desires. Coastal-inspired window designs. Living near the beach calls for windows that complement the surroundings while standing up to coastal conditions. Large picture windows, sliding glass walls, and casement windows are top choices for Redington Beach homes because they invite natural light and showcase scenic views. Picture windows offer wide, unobstructed views of the ocean or sunset while giving your home a sleek, modern appearance. Their minimal framing enhances architectural lines and creates a feeling of openness. Casement windows, which swing outward, provide excellent ventilation and a contemporary aesthetic. They're perfect for catching ocean breezes and adding symmetry to your home's facade. Sliding or stacking glass walls are ideal for modern beachfront properties, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living spaces, a hallmark of coastal living. These window designs instantly elevate your home's curb appeal while letting you enjoy the beauty of Redington Beach from every room. Energy-efficient windows that look as good as they perform in Florida's warm coastal climate. Modern window design is about more than looks, it's about performance. New energy-efficient windows combine beauty with technology to keep your home cool, bright, and comfortable year-round. Windows with low emissivity coatings, double-pane glass, and argon gas insulation reflect heat and block harmful UV rays, preventing fading on furniture and flooring. At the same time, they maintain a crisp, modern appearance with clean frames and slim profiles. Energy-efficient designs not only improve comfort but also reduce utility costs, a selling point that adds real value in Redington Beach's competitive housing market. Modern materials for coastal durability. The salty air and humidity of coastal Florida can take a toll on traditional materials. That's why modern homeowners are choosing vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad windows, all built to resist corrosion, warping, and salt damage. Vinyl windows are cost-effective, low-maintenance, and available in a wide range of colors and finishes to match your home's style. Fiberglass windows provide superior strength and longevity while offering a refined, contemporary look. They hold their shape and finish even in Florida's heat. Aluminum-clad windows combine a modern aesthetic with strong weather resistance, making them ideal for sleek, coastal architecture. With these modern materials, you can achieve a stylish, polished appearance that lasts for years with minimal upkeep, perfect for busy homeowners who love the beach lifestyle. Custom shapes and finishes for unique style. Modern window design offers endless customization options. Redington Beach homeowners can choose from arched windows, floor-to-ceiling glass panels, or geometric shapes to give their home a one-of-a-kind look. Adding black or bronze frames creates a bold, modern contrast against light-colored exteriors, a popular trend in Florida coastal design. For a softer aesthetic, white and beige frames blend beautifully with stucco and seaside tones, giving homes a timeless yet updated look. By mixing sizes and shapes, for example, pairing a large picture window with smaller casement windows, you can achieve balance and visual interest that makes your home stand out. The power of professional installation. Even the most stunning window design won't perform or look its best without expert installation. Professional installers ensure airtight sealing, precise alignment, and flawless framing, maximizing both energy efficiency and appearance. For Redington Beach's coastal climate, professional installation also helps prevent moisture intrusion and corrosion, protecting your investment for years to come. A lasting impression from the inside out. Modern window upgrades don't just boost curb appeal, they enhance your home's interior atmosphere as well. More natural light, improved views, and cleaner architectural lines create a space that feels larger, brighter, and more welcoming. Whether you're updating a classic Florida home or designing a new coastal retreat, the right modern window designs can redefine your property's look and elevate its market value. Final thoughts. In Redington Beach, curb appeal is about blending beauty, performance, and coastal resilience. With modern window designs, you can achieve all three, turning your home into a showpiece that captures the essence of seaside living. From expansive glass panels to energy-saving innovations, today's window options let you enjoy the best views, superior comfort, and timeless style, all while boosting your home's value and appeal for years to come.